The name of this kind of short-tailed cat is Japanese bobtail. Even in Japan, it's not widely known that these cats were brought into Japan by Buddhist monks from the Korean peninsula. It most likely happened during the so-called Three Kingdoms period, when the peninsula was ruled by three larger kingdoms. Koguryo on the north, the largest in regards of its territory, Baekje on the southwestern part, and Shilla on the southeastern part of the peninsula. In all three kingdoms, Buddhism became the official religion by around the 5th century. Not only Buddhist, but also Taoist and Confucianist texts, and even Chinese characters were actually brought to Japan by Buddhist monks. These kind of short-tailed cats are still quite common in Korea, and they have been around in Japan for at least 1,000 years. They are not only characterized by their short tail, but their rear legs are also significantly longer than the rear legs of other cats. This makes them very good at jumping. They must have lived for centuries around Buddhist monasteries. They were kept for a very important role, to protect the scriptures from being eaten by mice and other rodents. And they were brought into Japan for the same reason, together with important texts. The know-how of silk farming also arrived from one of the three kingdoms, and over the centuries it became an important contributor to Japan's agriculture and industry. In the year 1602, an official decree was made ordering all cats to be set free to help deal with rodents that threatened the nation's silkworm population and associated industry. Buying and selling cats also became illegal. At that time, cats were living freely on farms and on the streets. Today, bobtail cats are considered to be a lucky breed, and amongst all, the three-colored one, in Japanese, mikoneko, are considered to be the luckiest ones. We actually know many names for the cats and many names for the different breeds, but do we actually know what the cats actually are? Let's spend at least a minute right here, right now, trying to find out by looking as deeply into this question as possible. What on earth is this cat called thing? What is it?